Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel, and in today's video we're still going to be talking about ChatGPT. As you all know, ChatGPT is the smartest robot of the world right now, and a lot of businesses, a lot of smart people are still using ChatGPT for their business, for individual purpose, and etc. So if you're not using ChatGPT this 2023, please can you tell me, what are you waiting for? It's totally free now to use, and in today's video I'm going to be giving us some genius ways to make money with ChatGPT. Okay, so stay tuned and watch this video to the end so you don't miss any of the points. And please do not forget to like this video, share it out, and subscribe if you like my content. Thank you. To get started to start making money with ChatGPT, you don't need any capital, you don't need any experience. All you need is your skills. Or just pick one of the skills I'm going to be giving us right now and work on it, and you start earning close to $500 daily, or even more than that monthly. You can even make $1,000 monthly. Okay, so now my number one on the list is YouTube support. Okay, as we all know, as a content creator, it's so hard for content creators to generate scripts, to generate topics, to brainstorm topics and all that. And this is a service I think most people are not even looking at right now. You can be a YouTube supporting YouTubers, supporting content creators on YouTube to help them manage their videos, in the sense that they'll give you the niche they're doing on their video, and you create a topic for their videos, you create a description, you basically do everything regarding their channel, and you submit and you give them your token. Okay, and ChatGPT is going to be helping us to write a proposal, which I'm going to be showing us soon. To write a
Tech
proposal.
lovers, I'm going to be giving us a write up now on ChatGPT. And first and foremost, you need to sign up for this free ChatGPT account, which you can watch others of my videos if you're finding it difficult to sign up, but it's straight to the point. And if you want to upgrade, which is the ChatGPT known as ChatGPT Plus, you can upgrade and you start working with ChatGPT. But I would just advise to start with the free plan for now. Okay. So now I'm going to write here, write a proposal for a YouTube YouTube support services. Okay, and ChatGPT is going to give it to us. Proposal. So introduction: YouTube is one of the most popular video sharing platform on the internet with over 2 billion monthly active users. Okay, so now services is video production, optimization, copyright claim, monetization, growth strategies, cost. Our service will be able to will be available at a reasonable cost, tailored to specific needs creators. Okay. In conclusion, so this is a proposal. YouTube is a massive platform, and many content creators struggle to navigate it effectively. Our YouTube support services aim to provide a comprehensive solution for creators to grow their channels, optimize their content, and monetize their effort. We believe that our services will provide significant value to creators and help them achieve their goal on the platform. So if you don't even want this write up, you can always regenerate your response, and you try to send it to as many YouTubers you know, or you go on Google to search for some YouTubers that you know that will be able to patronize you. Okay, so this is another side also, and I'm not talking about you giving views. No, it's not that type of YouTube support. This YouTube support is you generate video ideas to the YouTubers, and you would generate everything concerning the videos, and you get your pay. Per you can decide to charge like $200 per section. Okay, and that's cool money depending on you. So please, if you want to use this, if you want to do this as a side hustle, then you need to go further and do some of your research personally. Okay, So now,
My number 2 point is you can have a branding agency, right? And what is a branding agency? Is a way of giving a company a total branding in the sense that you're the one that would provide the business name, the website, you generate content for the company, you create the logo and just make sure that the company is set so you can decide to have a branding agency, which is another side also you should look at. To do that, all this I'm giving us, ChatGPT is the one that is going to be giving you your resources so that you can use that ChatGPT to make money this 2023. So now I'm going to be showing us some demonstration
now,
right away.
so now you tell ChatGPT to help me generate a name, a business name for a pet store. Okay. So yeah, can you see it's giving us some names: Pons and Cons, Furry Friends, Esponium, right? Can you see the name Pet Kingdom? I think I like Pet Kingdom. So you can even use this method in the process of being a business branding agency company, right? You can also encourage your customer or your client to have a YouTube channel. Okay, so depending on the niche of these customers, you would use this niche to create a YouTube channel for them, and you can even also manage the channel being a YouTube support service, and also it's still under the branding agency. Okay, so you can combine these two together, but if you don't want to combine the two together, it's actually fine. Okay, because they have to try something to make it work so that you can always add other services that you have. Okay, I hope I'm making sense in this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video out, please, because YouTube is going to recognize my channel if you like my videos, and I'm going to know that what I'm doing is actually paying off. Okay, please, I need your encouragement in this video. Thank you. So now I'm going to pick this niche. I love the name Pet Kingdom, right? So I'm going to tell ChatGPT to do something for me right now. Okay, write a simple a simple business marketing a simple business marketing, like an elevator pitch for this company. I'm going to put it here. Okay, for Pet Kingdom. You really need to be specific with the questions they're asking ChatGPT. Okay. As you can see, ChatGPT is introducing the Pet Kingdom, the premier destination of pet owners looking to provide furry friends with very best in pet care. Our stores offers a wide range of products and services to help your pet thrive. And even in the process of this business, you can also sell um some affiliate products that is related to pets. So if you want to know some of these affiliate products, you can watch some of my affiliate videos, affiliate marketing videos, to get ideas and sign up for your ClickBank and start making double money.
So another point or the next step is to be a self-publisher and upload on Amazon KDP, and you can also write your ebook and also upload on Amazon. If you want to know more in depth about this video, then you're going to watch this my videos that I did on how to use ChatGPT to be a publisher. Okay, so I won't be going too much into that in this video. And my final point is email marketing services. This particular topic, I actually did this particular topic is going the full video is in my course that I'm going to be launching very soon on ChatGPT. Okay, so I won't really go into it, but if I will just be giving you some I'll just be giving you some ideas on how to become an email marketing service agency. Do you know that you can actually make cool money earning as an email marketing agency? A lot of people, they have emails, but they don't know how to compose this letter. They don't even know how to write. They don't even know how to compose words together. And they go on Fiverr, they go there to hire people to write emails for them. But in this case, we're going to be using ChatGPT to write the emails. If you want these full tutorials or this particular video on email marketing agency, okay, then you need to sign up or stay tuned for the course I'm going to be launching. Hopefully, by God's grace, I will be launching it next month in May. And I'm going to clock, I think, 3 years on YouTube, which is amazing. I'm going to be launching it. So watch out for that. And let me just show you some of the things email email marketing services can render for you. Okay.
So, guys, I'm going to put in here that write a short, punchy pitching email marketing services. Okay, to check your email marketing services, you have to write this. Then I click enter. I'm going to click enter. So can you see boost your business with our email marketing services? Their client's name. Are you looking for an effective way to reach your customers, drive more sales, right? And this is our services. Our services include increased engagement conversion, more websites, traffic sales, stronger customers relationship, better ROI, and business growth. Don't miss out on the benefit of email marketing. And as you know, email marketing is one of the best way to grow your business online. If you're not using email marketing services, any of this email marketing software, then what how are you communicating with your clients?
So perhaps if something happens to social media today and you can't locate any of your subscribers or something happens, how are you going to connect with them? That's why you need email marketing services. Okay. So this reminds me, I'm going to put my link in the description box. I need you all to sign in for my newsletter. Okay. I usually send out daily newsletter weekly. Okay. So if you want to be the first person to get any of my blog, any of my money making tutorials, or any of my videos to be the first person to get an announcement from me, then sign up for my newsletter and let's get to know more. Let's get to know ourselves more. Okay. Thank you. We've come to the end of this video and thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And I hope you gain something valuable from this video. I hope you got value from this video, and I hope you've been able to find out the type of skills you can do with this type of tutorials. And please share this video out, subscribe to my channel, and like this video, and I believe I'm giving you lovely content. Okay. So if you like my face and let's grow together, I would appreciate you to subscribe and engage to my channel. And please share it out also. Thank you. Bye for now.